It's officially week 3 of the $100 challenge, and I thought I was done with demo work last week, but we're gonna take out the shower doors, and I am so excited. So what else to do this week? Well, we're gonna have a ton of drywall work, repair, and I'm gonna patch some wall stuff. So I hope you have fun following along. Working on drywall today. This is gonna get some fresh drywall, and my hubby has volunteered, volunteered to put it up. So exciting times. Clean this window and then clean this one and put the double pane back in. This is really old. I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna do a different treatment. And I just looked, and unfortunately I don't have window glass cleaner, so hopefully this is gonna work today. Much better. The outside of the window needs to be washed, but it's -2 today, so I'm gonna wait on that. But progress. Okay, next, we've decided to take off this shower door and the brass part, and so I am going to see if I can get that off today. The reason why we're doing this is because it's like super nasty. That's why we're getting rid of it. So these have protective little things on it, covering the screws. You just have to take those off and then unscrew. Super one-handed. Okay, so the top bar is off. I'm gonna work on this. I already took the screws out of this bracket, so I'll see if that one will loosen. I'll take the screws out of this one, and then we'll see what's holding that bottom one in. Okay, I've been using the hammer as a pry bar very gently to pry off the caulk, and it's been working. And then once I've got it this far out, I've been pulling it. Okay, I still have more work to do in getting the rest of the caulk off of the enclosure, but I'm gonna see if I can pry this board off right now to see if I have drywall up until that, because I don't like the way this looks, and I'm hoping to get rid of it. So we'll see. Just got the board off one side, and unfortunately the drywall stops about 1.5 inches to the enclosure, so that's a bummer. But what we will probably do is drywall up to the end. I don't know, I'll keep you updated. I just wanted to show you the real life of what it looks like when you're doing renovations. We have cleaned this floor a bunch, but we are doing drywall work, which if you've ever done drywall work, you know it's super messy. But look how great this is looking. If you missed week 1 or week 2, you can catch them right now. I'll put the cards in for you to just click over, because you have to see this space during the first week and the second to really appreciate how far it's come. So we will see you next time, guys. Week 4 coming up soon.